So the last scenario is that our sales team is working faster than our receiving team. And what I mean by that is that we have created an invoice because we need to get that item out the door. We're selling it. And we're saying that, I'm going to go ahead and delete this guy. And we're saying that we know they're going to receive it because we know we got it in stock. They just haven't had a chance. Okay. So in this scenario, we don't need to do an inventory adjustment. What we need to do is we need to receive the items the day before we invoice them. We can see that activity with what we call a quick report. So all list data have the options of a quick report. And the quick report is very simple. It's just a report that shows all activity of the items. Okay, so in this case, if we look at it, we can see we got a bill on 4/1 and we received 5. And then we invoiced our customer on 4/24 that caused that -50. So our receiving team needs to make sure they receive those 50 widgets the day before we invoiced on 4/23. This will correct the negative inventory and then it won't be in the file. So that's how we correct our negative inventory.